Hello, what's up everybody? In this video we going to be see my college project Expo 2022. My college name is Siddharth Institution of Engineering and Technology. It is presented at Puttur, Andhra Pradesh. I will show my friend's project and explain it point to point. Come, let's we go. He is our honorable principal, lighted the spiritual lamp and started the occasion. And he interact all the people and encourage them. First project was made by Karthik from EEE department. Her project name is Single Axis Solar System Tracking Device by using LDRs. By using this LDRs, we can run the solar system throughout the day. In morning, the sunlight is one side, and in evening, the sunlight is another side. Solar panel can't work throughout the day. By using this method, we can produce solar renewable energy throughout the day. See how the solar panel is rotated when light enters to the LDR sensor, and the LDR sensor send signal to motor. Motor follows the sunlight and produce solar renewable energy to us. And this is the second project. Name of the project is Smart Lighting on National Highways, which is an essential project for society. The main essence of this project, when the vehicle comes to a particular area, that particular area light will only glow, otherwise the light remains constant. See, when the object come near to the particular area, that area lights will only glow, otherwise the light remains constant. See, there is a small sensor near the roadside. That sensor will detect the vehicle and send to the LEDs. Then only the LEDs will glow. When comes to third project is my one of the favorite project. It was made by Bharat and Ajit from EEE department. Third project name is Smart Parking System. It is used to reduce the traffic jams and air pollutions. When the car enters near the gate will automatically open and allow the car to park inside. To reduce the human energy, we can use this type of project in different type of places. Fourth project is a AI product which runs the vehicle automatically by using human signal. Human signal is observed by AR sensor. AR sensor send the signal to audio block. Audio block process the signal and run the vehicle as by the human signal. See how the vehicle automatically move by giving human signal to the AR sensor. Comes to fourth project made by Venkat from EEE department, and the project name is speed breaker current circulation. When the vehicle enters the speed breaker automatically rotates, and the speed breaker is connected to turbine shaft rotates, the current will automatically generated. It is a very useful project in our daily life. Project was basically velocity energy converts to rotation energy converts to electrical energy, and the electrical energy is used for in our daily life. Basically, the sixth project is about we can control our light and fan by using our mobile. See, the light is off when it touches the screen of mobile, and we can control our daily home appliances by using this app and this project. And the seventh project is also same. When he clap, the light will automatically glow, and another time he clap, the light will automatically off. See how it's. Eighth project is a army related project. Using this device, we can identify aeroplane, ships, and etc. This project is probably known as radar. By using radar, we can identify the enemy plane, ships, and etc. by using a IR sensor. It comes to ninth project. Ninth project is a home security project. In case of any enemy enters the home, the door will automatically detect and the alarm will ring. See, the light will blow when the door is open. It is an essential project in our daily life because the security is most important. When comes to 10th project, nowadays the basic necessary is hand sanitizer. So he created an automatic hand sanitizer. When we show our finger, it will automatically pour the sanitizer. Guys, this is the 11th project, and the basic structure of this project, it will predict the fire accident in homes, colleges and hospitals by using IoT device. The sensor will detect the smoke and send to notification to mobile application. See the basic structure. This type of sensor is fixed to roof of the building. When the fire accident is occurs, it will send to the notification to our mobile number. Then 12th project is belongs to agriculture sector. We should encourage this type of technology. The basic structure of the project is to find the fertility level of soil and water pH level. See, there is a two type of soil and the device shows the fertility level. Based on this fertility level of the soil, we can decide what crops should be provided. When comes to last project of the video is made by Santosh Triply department. The basic essence of this project to provide a wireless current and to reduce the copper losses. This reference by Nikola Tesla coil. You can search in YouTube also, and like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel, support me. The project expo is successfully completed. Thank you for watching.